Hello everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Miss Eva and today we're going to do a really fun experiment for you to try at home. First, we're going to need some materials. Primero, vamos a necesitar los siguientes materiales. A plate, water, ground pepper, soap, liquid if possible, and food coloring, but this is optional. Now, ask mom or dad to pour the water into the plate and mix it with a little food coloring. Ahora, le pides a mamá o a papá que te ayude a colocar el agua en el plato y lo mezclas con un poco de colorante. I'm gonna use pink. Alright, mix it around, mix it around. That's good. Now, add about a teaspoon of ground pepper to the water, but don't mix it, okay? Ahora, agrega aproximadamente una cucharadita de pimienta al agua, pero no la mezcles. Now, imagine the little grains of pepper are germs, the bad guys with the diseases. Ahora, imagínate que todos los pedacitos de pimienta son unos señores malos, los gérmenes que tienen enfermedades y cosas muy feas. Now, put your finger in the middle of the plate and see, nothing happens. Ahora coloca tu dedo en el medio del plato y fíjate que no pasa nada. Maybe even the germs are attaching to your finger. Ew. Tal vez incluso los gérmenes están pegando a tu dedo. Ew. So, what you're going to do now is to coat your finger with soap like so. Like this. Ahora vas a cubrir tu dedo con jabón de esta manera. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Now, we put our finger in the middle of the water and see what happens. Whoa! You see that? The soap is fighting the germs. That's so cool. ¿Vieron eso? El jabón está combatiendo los gérmenes y a los señores malos, ¿verdad? What do you think about this? Isn't it exciting? We can fight germs with water and soap. We can fight germs and be healthy so easily if we wash our hands. Now, I'm going to show you an image and you have to tell me what it is. Ahora les voy a enseñar una imagen y me van a decir lo que significa en inglés. What is this? Very good. Now, what do you call this? Excellent job. And lastly, what does this mean? Very, very good. You did excellent today. Now, can you count how many times you wash your hands in a day? Leave us a comment or send us a video of you washing your hands. Ahora, cuenta cuántas veces te lavas las manos en un día y nos lo dejas en un comentario o nos envías un video de ti lavándote las manos. See you next time. Bye bye.